In this video, I'm going to go over how to use a new linear template. So we're going to start on our home page, and we're going to click on our floor plan. And then we're going to go over here where it says New Linear Templates. We're going to click on this green button. When this window opens, we're going to change the name of the wall here. We're going to call this P14 wall type. And we're going to hit Tab, and that's the description, and it's going to fill in automatically when we pick what we want for this wall type. Tab, track, arrow down. Let's go for a 6-inch track. Put 6 in your inch mark, and you can make this screen a little bit bigger so you can see down a little bit more and you don't have to scroll. Let's use a 6-inch track at 18 gauge, 43 mil. Alright, that's the track. You can tab, you can change the color to whatever color that you want. Okay, let's change this to violet. And your fill solid, this will make your wall a hatched wall or texture or solid. We're going to leave it solid. Our stud is going to be arrow down. We'll pick our stud. We're going to use a 6-inch. Use the 6-inch like that, and it'll bring up all your 6-inch studs. We're going to need an 1 5/8 flange, 16 gauge. So we'll click this one here. We'll tab down to our screws. Our screws, let's go with a number 12 hex head self tapper, 3/4 inch. Tab down. We'll hit our drywall. Let's figure our drywall is going to be a fire code. Put FC, and we'll use 5/8 fire code type X. We'll tab down. We'll pick our screws. Let's say we're going to need 1 1/4 self drillers, and that 8M is 8,000. There's 8,000 in a box of those. We'll pick our joint compound is joint compound bucket linear. We'll just leave it there. Our on center spacing, let's put 24 inches. Our stud length is going to be 18 feet. Our wall height is 18 feet. Tab. Use the keyboard. We're going to keep 2 sides of the wall. Our board length, we'll use let's use 10-foot board. And we'll change the board size, arrow drop down window, 4x10. And then we're going to put it in a folder. And this folder, I have a templates folder here, so I'm just going to use the template folder. And we'll click OK. Now just digitize your wall. Let's start right here. Say it's going to be the exterior wall. Go around this way. Okay, and when you're done, you hit escape, and that's it. All your parts have dropped in there. We can go back into our estimating tab and take a look at it. Right here's our P14 wall type. It's a 6-inch, 1 5/8 flange, 54 mil, 16 gauge, 18 foot, 5/8 type X, 2 sides. Expand the folder, and here's all of our parts and all of our prices all at one shot. And that concludes this video on using a new linear template.